Okay. So, hi everybody. Hi to the community. Today I want to show a bit more about UX and UI on a project. So maybe let's start with sharing my screen. Yeah. Here the project. So first I need to start my local process. Okay, now it's running. Okay, this is my interface. Let's start the process in the background, npm process. So now it's there is this command that is npm that's run on localhost. So I have now the right URL. And also all CSS and JS get compiled. So as you can see, this little button here is now of the right of the correct color. So I created this CRM with like this is a list of all the tickets. If I go this way, I can click on it. So now I need to make the UI a bit more user-friendly, or maybe easy to replicate. So all the, like for example, button or fields need to be just similar, or maybe modular. So let's start with this little button. So I will search this Annulla. It's here. And I want to understand in this case if I need to keep these two different buttons. I don't know. Maybe yes. Now I have I asked to Copilot to investigate a bit more on this behavior, this if else, because there is this take charge option that is it's like an option in when I import my ticket with AI to make a manual check before create the intervention. So here, okay, it makes sense. From take charge, the user will arrive on your page after the audio recording is being created, and AI creates automatically the ticket. Okay, maybe we need to read this situation. Let's search a bit on the code, what is happening here. Okay. I won't ask, I'll just ask to AI without the agent take action in the code. So I will just ask. Let me put, let's see what he's asking for. Okay, it's action undo take charge. It's a post request. Okay. I asked something different, so I will rewrite again the question. Okay, let me charge the PC. Here. Okay, now we can continue. So the some suggestion resource undo take charge button. Yeah, maybe it's not this one. I want to call this just undo button. So create a new, I want to create a new component here. So I need to go inside this folder, views, resources, views, components. As you can see, there is all the list of my components. Yep, create one component here. New file, yes. copy and paste this name and rename it undo button. Great. So we can use this component through all my UX, UI, yeah, UI application. Intervention, okay, this is a prop, so I pass this prop, okay. I don't want only the intervention, so maybe maybe need some correction, but let's try this way. Also, I want to use let's start from the smaller parts. I want to use this button. Maybe this button, I have another button in this inside this component folder that make the same of this this link, we can say. So finding folder, gray, maybe there is something, confirm deletion, delete, customer, not this, drop down, no, empty state, input, not this, request, I don't like. Maybe let's see in all the components, and if not, I will create a primary button. Maybe is not a primary button. Let's see the list, the complete list of my components. Application, logo, name, session, breadcrumbs, deletion, danger button, no, secondary button, maybe, or not. Let's see, buttons, and the buttons, text simple settings, secondary, yes. We could make this one. Tertiary. Sorry, I'm not a native speaker, so I want to check the right spelling of this. Yeah, how do you pronounce it? Tertiary, okay. So, tertiary button here, and change just the color, BG, background color is gray. Let's see here. No, I don't want suggestion. So inside here, undo button, I want to include this here. I will include my second tertiary button. So in this way. Yes, remove this argument or attribute, and or maybe use this one. Now there is not a dynamic route, so maybe I need to do this for now, one step at a time. could write this down and just take these rules. These are CSS rules. So I will remove this button here, the link, and check in the ternary button if I have some. Yeah, maybe these rules are nice for me because it's just a problem of it's just a matter of color. Okay, so let's check a bit if I have border gray. Yeah, maybe test gray. Okay, let's see. Wait, this I want to print this button, so put this button here and write it down inside right in the final layout for file. So I need just to find where is not this one, is not this one. It's not on customer, it's on intervention. Maybe this one, not this one. Maybe this, yeah, this one. So put this one, comment here. I want to localize the syntax. So maybe this is the way. And remove for now this one. And everything is broken, yeah, as usual. Unable to locate class or view of component undo take charge button. It's just undo button. Okay, now let's see the button. Okay, this one, I think. Okay. So remove this one. So we have a cleaner view, general view. And yes, I go to my components template. That's undo button here. And let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, why have this one? Commands. I don't like this one. Yeah, maybe let's try this. Autocomplete. Okay, help me. Okay, now I have the I'm just passing the attributes route. And before I want to okay, just I save temporary and I want to ask if I want to pass the route. How can I manage it? Also, I want to use a different AI tool. This is Gemini CLI. So I write down Gemini just because this you have a quite good free tier on Gemini, so you can work hard with the. You can just ask many, quite a lot of things, and don't worry about maybe to finish your limit, to your quota limit. Don't reach your limit, your quota. So maybe ask this CLI just what kind of sorry, ask okay, I just asked how to pass this route. It's working. So what is the best practice to do this command, to do this little UI? So href route name, yeah, maybe pass to the ternary button component the link, or maybe some more attributes, I don't know. Comment out for now this. We are doing essentially this one here. So I could also remove this and put this just here. So yeah, so some suggestion. So it suggests to put ternary button here and just pass the route intervention index URL. So remove here this also. I think that's correct. If I remove this, okay, I think yes. Okay, just pass this URL, the intervention index. So let's try it. But I don't like it because I want to make this more dynamic. And yes, let's ask here. Or let's see in the other components what is happening. So maybe primary button doesn't work with this. Maybe with this. Let's see what. Okay, class. I could use href. Yes, maybe go in under button, ternary button, href this. I don't like these attributes. Okay, now I'm passing to the component ternary button the href route. Let's see. Let's see how to create a HTML button link that I don't remember. Link button, accept. No, I don't like this. I don't remember this easy thing. I don't remember. I don't remember the HTML syntax for if I can pass. I don't think I can pass an URL to a button. Oh, I can. Maybe add this one attribute that it's submit. Okay, if I have an href, I will put a link. Yeah. I don't like this solution. I don't like this solution because I would like to simplify everything with only an if. I don't think it's. I just continue to ask the same thing, and maybe it's me that's. I don't remember at all if I can use a button with an href link. Yeah, it doesn't. You can't put an href attribute to a button tag. Okay. I prefer this one. This is we can, yeah, I can use this one. This way is the Alpine.js way. Yep. Not here, but let's put it here. Primary button, tertiary button. Okay. Let's put this here. So this is just saying on click make this stuff. Maybe with this way. Okay, we are just saying, yep, nothing important, but let's try. Yes, we are just saying that your Windows location href, so your URL, this the JavaScript way to map your URL, will go to route intervention index. Okay, let's see. Okay, everything is broken. Why autocomplete doesn't work here? href and href here, so I will pass with this in this way. So let's see what is happening here, and if it doesn't correct, let's remove everything for 1 second only. Yeah, ternary button href, ternary button href doesn't have a problem. Why do you have a problem? Undo button file. Here we have syntax error, unexpected end of file. I don't see an error here. That is the correct syntax. Uh, 18 as if let's get some help. Just this because I'm a bit tired. Yeah. If it's inside the component, yep. This HTML is not right. So how do you comment out this? I don't know. I just want some pieces here. Okay. So this doesn't work. Okay, great. Okay, this is the right one. It's the interface, the code goes inside the else. So href let's add a class. I want to add this class, this CSS class, only to have the little hand when you go over the button. So here maybe some error with our, no, that's right. That's right. maybe I forgot this data. X data is something that are not. Let's inspect this button. I don't understand because this button is an error, tertiary button. I lost the undo button component. Yeah, it's here, the button. And yes. I want to see some other examples. Like this one. Like this input label. Yeah. Maybe maybe it's this one. Okay. Maybe it's href. Intervention index. Undo button here, that's I will use here, href. Undo button will print this one. Add href. Okay. No, there is something that I don't understand. Okay. There are some errors here in type button, type submit. Where? Here. Remove this. Okay, I can remove this. But the problem is that I'm just, oh, maybe this one, just an X, maybe. Great. Yes. I think yes. It was just that I was calling like a native tag instead component. This X means the component. So that's a little error that takes you one day for for 1 hour. Okay. So that's print correct way. Href here and href here. Let's try with this X data, because we want also this X data. Maybe it's work. So let's see here. Yeah. So let's clean a bit this one easiest. Okay, I will put on click this Windows location href. Okay, I think it's not bad as idea. Href, okay, we need here href, but I don't want it here, maybe. No, just to ask, I want to ask here. Less expensive, we can say. Okay. Let's continue to ask our Gemini. Reload instructional context from Gemini MLD. Okay, that's just suggestion. Why when you are waiting for a response, you can read this. Okay, finish. Okay. Yes, we can pass this href. Also, let's see if we want to create the second part. So we have this one. Okay, is the same as this. Okay, form. I will remove this to this attribute. Okay, maybe okay. We print only the form attribute if I have undo take charge button. Yes. So sorry. I will add this one. Okay. Just let me see if the right. Oh, not. Yeah, there is this ID. I don't know if I need it. Let's see how it was before. Here. Okay, button in the is the same plus form. Okay, form not id. It was a little mistake. Okay, form. What's happening here? I think this is necessary. It's mandatory. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. href form. Okay, it seems like everything is okay. When this happen, when this get involved, when I click on this button, and let's see, I want to copy this file name. Okay, that's an error. That's an error because I'm maybe intervention is this way. Yes, I forgot this one. So let's see if I click on here. Okay, So maybe I want to make a try with this. Let's try again this situation. When I click on Prendi Incarico, it means that here we have this button that is the undo button, essentially. So, okay, button with, no, we have a button with submit. No, it's not this. It's this one. We have a button, type button, but it's not. I don't think it's inside the form. So let's see. If I go back, yeah, it doesn't work. Maybe because this button is to go inside the form, because there is not this form also. Okay. Okay, we have the button, but we don't have the form, maybe. Okay. So the flow doesn't go inside this here. But I've got the intervention. I don't know how to PHP here. PHP, help us. And PHP, if I make a var dump here, maybe there are some better ways. I don't know, this is the debug toolbar, and I cannot see views. Maybe this site is views. Okay, all the components are inside, but nothing more. What is happening if I click on here? Nothing changed. Great. Okay, let's ask to Gemini if there are some problem, some issue inside this little piece, this line of code. I don't know if I can. This is my component. Undo button. Okay, we have to check this method. I have this one from take charge param. Okay, I can make a var lamp here. Let's try it. The all one var lamp. Here. No, not var lamp for us. Okay. True. The first condition is true. The second intervention audio recording maybe is false. Okay. That's audio recording. It's the full, it's all the information. So maybe let's see if I put this information inside this. Maybe yes. I can avoid it especially if I'm interested only in if I want to know if there is a recording. Maybe remove this one for a second. I ended my audio recordings, so maybe I need to re-import all audio recordings, maybe in the next section. So now I can close for this session, and let's see for in the next section, maybe today in the afternoon.